The National Director of Public Prosecutions, Advocate Shamila Batohi, will appear before Parliament's ad hoc committee looking into concerns of national security. Batohi will reply to allegations by KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi of rogue elements in the NPA. So let's get an update from SABC News reporter Abra Babier, who's covering that for us. So today we see all of this taking place. Let's get that story from you, Abra.
Leanne, hi. Do you know what? For as long as I can remember, because I also cover the Justice Committee, which is obviously the committee that Advocate Batohi accounts to as head of the NPA, for as long as I can remember, she has been very open and honest about her challenges as NDPP and the issues within the unit and what day-to-day tasks look like. And I mean, she's even gone as far as saying that the NPA has been infiltrated by certain forces, which is basically scuppering their work so that they're not able to do their jobs properly. We know that she's also faced a lot of criticism from various quarters about the performance of the NPA, but she's put a lot of these things down to the fact that her unit is possibly compromised. She was later asked to retract the statement where she said that the NPA has been infiltrated, but she's made it clear over the years that she has been battling for the NPA to conduct its work adequately. I did once speak to her and I asked her on camera, does she feel that she gets the support, the necessary support from the Justice Committee and Parliament in general? And that day she said to me she doesn't feel that way. And today, obviously, I'm very keen to hear exactly what her responses will be, because she's going to be asked very specific and direct questions about the NPA and the criminal justice system as a whole, where I'm sure she will be laying out exactly where the holes are, where the gaps are, what the issues are. I remember also, I think it was last year when she appeared before the committee because there was an issue about the NPA accessing the Zondo Commission database, which made it difficult for the unit to proceed with various prosecutions. So these are things that are highly likely to come out today. And look, she doesn't have much time left. Her contract will be coming to an end soon. So it will be very interesting to hear what stance she takes. If she's very clear and direct this time without feeling that she would need to retract at a later stage, which has been the case over the past few months and years, I think. I'm sure MPs will also come down very hard on her, as they did with previous witnesses, because they would want to know from her side, what she's been doing to try and clean up things within the NPA. So I'm quite interested to hear exactly what her responses will be, and we will be expecting her to appear at the committee at 11 o'clock. Yesterday, during the Logistics Committee, somebody mentioned that they might be sitting till midnight tonight. I'm not sure exactly if that is going to be the case. But we will be there and we'll be monitoring the proceedings throughout the day, Leanne.
All right, Abra, thank you. Looking forward to seeing what today has in store for us. So Abra Babier keeping us updated from Parliament.